You explain. Okay, start up.
These are evaporative coolers, and they're used to cool the chicken houses during the summer. Basically, all they are is cardboard honeycomb things that have water that trickle over. The air runs through them.
Yeah.
Just an evaporative cooler, and this is a little water tank that helps keep it a little cooler than normal. Amigo,
Good morning.
you got any baby chicken? Baby chicken?
Baby chicken?
Baby chicken for the kids to look at?
No here.
But y'all are raising, aren't these meat birds?
You got eggs.
Oh, you're raising eggs? Meats.
Big chicken.
Big chickens. What is this here? Oh, I see.
The eggs come right in there. I told you, man, this chicken business ain't like it used to be. It's totally different.
Yeah.
What you got, big ones in here too?
Yeah.
You sell these eggs here,
Yeah.
but you're raising meat chickens. These just the chickens laying.
Yeah.
How old before you sell them? Before you sell them to eat? 6 weeks, 8 weeks?
I don't know. The information, the other guy.
For Sammy?
They work, no, the other Mexican guy.
Okay.
Yeah, he's working in here for 8 years.
Yeah. I used to work for Sammy. I used to build these chicken houses.
Oh, okay. I'm working here for like 6 months.
Oh, okay.
Not too much. I work.
Alrighty, appreciate it. Gracias.
Bueno. All the roosters hanging out at the front, huh? They're guarding. The roosters guarding the hen house. Look at that big old rooster there. Let me get your picture with these chickens. Are you going to be a chicken farmer when you grow up? No way?